If you were worried that a career in the emergency services field was currently unobtainable, EMS Academy in Marshfield and Cambridge has some incredible news. Hybrid classes are currently available, featuring interactive online lectures, study guides, and a live online orientation to prepare you for your courses. EMS Academy's tuition is all-inclusive, so you do not have to buy any uniforms or equipment. A career should be rewarding, inspiring, and motivating. Open the door to your future with EMS Academy's 24 days, 6-week accelerated EMT course or their traditional 12-week EMT courses and learn skills that last a lifetime. EMS Academy's 24 days, 6-week and traditional 12-week EMT classes begin on September 14th and 15th in Marshfield and on September 15th at Cambridge College. Join EMS Academy and you too can learn how to save a life. Call 781-834-6911 or visit emsacademy.biz.